Hello dear class. So let us proceed towards one more chapter, that is the My Greatest Olympic Prize by Jesse Owens. Okay, this is the section of your poetry. So before, as we always do, before proceeding towards the story, let us know about the poet Jesse Owens. Jesse Owens, he was basically a grandson of a slave who achieved what no Olympian before had ever accomplished. Okay, his standing achievement for 4 gold medals at the 1936 Olympic Games in Berlin had made him best remembered athlete in Olympic history. He was born in Alabama on September 12, 1913. And at the age of 9, he along with his family moved to Cleveland, Ohio. Okay, now let us talk about his works. So Jesse gave a word, a preview of the things to come in Berlin. When at Big Ten Championship in Ann Arbor of May 25, 1935, he set 3 world records and equaled a 4th, all in a span of 45 minutes only. Jesse entered the 1936 Olympiad and won 4 world records and gold medals during the time of deep-rooted individual segregation. He had 3 achievements in 1936 Olympiad as under winning 4 gold with world records, smashed the Aryan supremacy theory of Hitler, earned an unique friendship with the German athlete Lars Long. He was an inspirational speaker and was such sought after orator. He breathed his last from cancer of the lungs on 31st of March 1980 in Arizona. So this is about the poet. Now let us proceed towards the story. This plot is actually, it's based about Aryan supremacy theory. Children, we already know what is Aryan supremacy theory, which was made by Adolf Hitler. Okay, so what happened? This Jesse Owens resolved to break Hitler's beliefs. So here Jesse Owens came from the different political party against Adolf Hitler. So when he was there in the Olympics held at Berlin, that time there was an Aryan supremacy theory taking place. Okay, and so what was his belief? His belief was to smash the theory and win the gold medal and prove himself, and that means to win gold for his country. Okay, that is against Adolf Hitler. Okay, and there is this gets advice from a German athlete. He also gets advices from a German athlete, that is Lars Long, a true sportsman, Jesse Owens. So what happens during the match? Jesse Owens he gets a very he gets a very much inspired as well as good advices by whom? By one of the participant, which was made by Adolf Hitler. Okay, because he was a German. So what happens? Jesse, at the end, what we see is Jesse Owens not only qualifies the final and wins the gold medal, he also wins what? The friendship of Lars Long. Okay, if we see here, Lars Long can be his rival, right? Because he belongs to a Aryan supremacy which he is against of it. Okay, but later they become friends. So this is about the story. Okay, so what happens? The first starting of the story, we'll see that the Olympic Games, which was held in 1936 at Berlin. Okay, this Olympic Games was being held at Berlin, and then the capital of Third Reich, Germany, headed by the segregationist Adolf Hitler, who believed in Aryan supremacy as the mastery race. Germany was fervent with the nationalistic feeling. Okay, now second topic what comes in the story is about the friendship that just Jesse Owens and Luz Long creates. Understood? So what happens? Jesse was quite hopeful to win 6 years of rigorous training and painfully practices behind him. Moreover, his winning feat at Ohio State University with a recording of 26 feet. That means before coming to take part in this Olympic, this Jesse Owens, he was a state level player, okay, athlete. So he had won there, and then he had, after a rigorous of training, continuous practice, what happened? He came to take part in the final this Olympics, okay, and in order to win the gold. So just like the other athletes also, he had a great passion for winning gold, okay. Then had already boosted his morale. He had traveled far long in order to win, but what happened? He didn't trial. He was fouled for the first trial, okay. Then he got frustrated, and at that moment only Luz Long comes and gives him good advices, okay, when he really needs it. So now, however, he was surprised to meet a tall German athlete, Luz Long, at the trial. So the one who was competing with him, that is Luz Long, okay, along with Jesse Owens, comes and gives him advices. Look here, the other competitor is coming and giving advices. This happens very rarely, right? So, who scored nearly 26 feet of the trial itself? That means he was very tall, a very good height, okay, and he could easily scored around 26 feet in his first trial only, which was failed by Jesse, okay. Now he was quite friendly. Luz Long looked quite friendly, and he was broad-minded. Yes, that means he didn't follow the Nazist theory of Adolf Hitler, because according to this Adolf Hitler's theory, what happens? You are to support Nazism fully. Understood? That means whoever comes against Nazism are all his rivals. No, but he doesn't follow that. He believes in, he has a very different type of thinking. That means he is really broad-minded. Okay. Now he informs Jesse that he has to kept under wraps by Hitler, who wanted to win the event and further established his Aryan race supremacy theory. Now Jesse was angry, and as an angry sportsman, he invariably made a poor show in the trials. That means usually when people are angry, they may commit lot of mistakes. Okay, that means the anger of the Aryan supremacy theory, the Adolf hit that thought. So what he did? Instead of doing that, instead of thinking over that, he went and helped him. That's a genuine thing. So further what happens is the Aryan supremacy theory of Adolf Hitler works, and this Jesse Owens becomes very angry, and what he was supposed to do, instead of doing that, he is more angry and he spoils the whole thing. Understood? So here he made a poor show in the trials. He also was compatible of at least completing. He was not nearby to any touch of 26 feet because he was very angry. Understood? So Luz Long gave him valuable tips at this point of time, and Jesse was now ready. Finally, he got very good tips from Luz Long. Okay, that really helped him. Jesse won gold in this event, but Luz Long won Jesse's heart and friendship. Okay, Jesse Owens, he not only wins the gold medal, he also wins the friendship of whom? Luz Long. Okay. But event was Luz Long's heart and friendship. Luz Long shook hand with Jesse, and Hitler record had a score of 26 feet inches this was possible. Anyhow, Hitler had set a record of 26 feet, and that was fulfilled by both of these athletes, not only the Luz Long but also Jesse. Okay, Jesse only. First he couldn't get qualified, okay, for the first try. But later, no, after getting good advices from Laszlo, he gets more confident, he gets boosted up, and then slowly, see, first he had set, you touch this much, and then the second was made little bit higher, okay. Anyhow, finally got to touch 26 feet. Understood? And later, what we see at the end, we see that, see, now Laszlo, if he would be that egoistic type of person, then he doesn't go, okay. And he could not have been gone to Jesse Owens. He would have made fun of him, or would be very happy that finally one of the competitor has himself made a mistake and fouled himself, so that's a plus point for me, okay. But he was not in that thought. So what he did, instead of doing that, instead of thinking over that, no, he went and helped him. So that's a genuine thing. So this is a beautiful story about Laszlo. So this is the summary as well as the entire plot. So what your work is to go through the chapter properly, and then if you find any problems out there, please let me know, okay. And this is usually the question may come about the friendship of Laszlo and Jesse Owens, okay. And the second question can come of the Aryan supremacy theory by Adolf Hitler. Understood? And then third question will be coming about athletes, about the sportsmanship of athletes. These are the three basic important things what we had already talked in our this video, okay. And then if you find any doubts, please let me know, okay. Till then, thank you.